Hey Saber fans, I'm going to show you today examples of our two different Luke ROTJ Episode 6 stunt sabers. So in the Episode 6 Return of the Jedi, they actually had three different Luke sabers that you ever saw. One was called the V1 Hero, which is the close-up scene that has the control box on top with the red and green blinking arrow. Then you also had what's called the version 2, which is commonly called the stunt saber. And then you have the V3 or version 3 stunt saber. And this particular stunt saber was seen when Luke was using it on the Jabba's sailbarge and in the Death Star throne room scene. But you only see this version with the copper neck when he's actually fighting Darth Vader at the very end when he slices off his hand. So there's V1, V2, and V3. The V2 has a lot of basically just silver and black damage, and and has a Graflex clamp for activation, and that's how it was in the film. And the V2 really is the same exact product, except it had a copper neck. So, and it's a little bit cleaner. So they both operate the same. So I'm just going to open up one here and show you how these work. So when you first get this installed saber, you open up this back area and turn it over, and you remove the kill key. This is also where you plug in your wall charger to charge the battery. I highly recommend that you charge it overnight when you first get it. Helps plug the charge the battery. Now the activation is in the clamps, but it depends on where you push down on the clamp is how it activates. So usually in the back section, it lights it up. Let's put this back piece on. Now, you can hold it down in the same spot to turn it off, or you can twist it, and it'll twist off. Now, this top area changes fonts.
The Force is with you, young Lord Vader. Obi-Wan. Ahsoka Tano. I hate them.
Don't insult.
It's just bad. I'm about to let everyone in.
These aren't the droids.
I can bring you in more. Jedi, prepare for death.
Excellent.
Now this is...
I'm the Jedi. Traitor! Ezra Bridger. This party's over.
So the way you play music is you hold down the activation button for about 1.5 seconds and it'll play music. So let me turn it off first. Hold it down.
The pleasure's all mine.
Only a Sith deals in animals. I'll do what I must.
I'll never join you.
So there you go. There's a demonstration of how to make these the V2 or the V3 saber function. One last piece of information to know is right there is your blade retention screw hole. So you'll get an Allen key. That's how you, when you put the blade in and tighten it, that's how it works, right there. So one thing to know is this blade doesn't go in except down to that far, so it's not a lot of blade depth. I don't recommend dueling with these since these are thin neck sabers, but you can do medium to light tapping when you're playing with them, but they're more for display than they are for battle. But hope you like it. They're one of my favorite sabers, and we got them in stock right now. Take care and have a great day.